very, very long day. First of all, I didn't sleep. I did not sleep today, which is kind of annoying. That's why I literally just got out of my bed, so I have no shirt on. I've been watching The Punisher. I literally binged it today, which is bad. Which is also bad because I had to be up at like 6:30 in the morning to go to my friend's house. You know, like how I did when the last time when I went to his house to play with his dog. Yeah, I'm doing that again. But because this time, you know, remember that secret project I told you about that we're developing some sort of game? Yeah, I'm going back to his to work on it. It's like a final project kind of thing, so yeah, I should have slept, man. I'm so tired, I'm done. I literally have to leave my house in like 10-15 minutes now to get to here as early as possible so we can use the full day and work on it because we actually do not have time. Alright, that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna have a shower and then we're gonna be on the way. Okay, so I think I'm done. I think I'm ready to leave, so yeah, it's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna take a long time, so I better be on my way. I didn't realize how cold it is, guys. It's so freaking cold in the UK right now. If I knew it was this cold, I would have gone into the bus or used a taxi. Worst idea ever, worst idea. I'm still not even halfway there yet. You know what, Harrison? Next time, you're the one coming to mine. I'm not coming to yours anymore. It's so long, I'm still not there yet. It's gonna take a while. Well, nothing that really has changed, just that the sun is now shining bright in my freaking eye. There's a lot of nice houses here, which I guess I can look at, but I'm still not there yet. Still going strong, still not there yet. But you know what? As long as this walk is, I'm actually enjoying it. It's good exercise. If you want to get the gains, you need to put in the work. It's so cold though. That's the only problem I hear about this. But what? I don't know. I'm close maybe. I don't know. I'm almost there. I'm not almost there, no. I'm getting close. Oh my gosh, I am finally here. I am finally here. Thank the Lord. Well, I'm not here, but I'm on the road. That took long. That took too long. I'm not doing that again. It was fun, but I'm not doing that again. Oh my goodness me. That was a freaking long walk. That's not the house. Yeah, it is. I'm not sure. Is this his house? It is his house. Yep. I'm definitely in the right place. I'm kind of excited to meet the doggo. So it's gonna be a bit different today. So today we've got a ball involved with the dog, which is called Bo, by the way. I don't think I said that last video. So apparently she's got some tricks. She's got some tricks. She can jump over stuff, and like she loves the ball. So I'm gonna get her some. You can see that she's really excited for it. Basically, this is the next day. When I got back home yesterday, I was so tired. I literally went to bed straight away. That walk did justice to me, and it's quite fun. I think I'm gonna go for like walks, more walks and more jogs. But I didn't really vlog like us actually doing work because like we're doing work, so you know it wouldn't make sense. So that's why it's just me and the dog with my friend. That's why the vlog is all about the dog. So anytime I go to his house, it's going to be mostly about the dog. So yeah, that's why there was nothing else apart from that. But anyway, speaking about today has just been boring. So just had uni, just went like I had an hour lecture and that's it. And I've just been home doing so much work. We're making, so my friend and I and some other dude, we're making a FPS game. It's gonna be a freaky game. When I say freaky, like weird, princesses are involved. You're gonna be shooting stuff with your princess. I can tell you that much. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. And today, like, the UK is so cold this week, like it's gonna get to -3 today, which is crazy because imagine if there's like 6, 7, 8, 9 inch, 10 inch of snow. I'll be so happy, like you don't know how happy. But yeah man, if it actually snows, you're definitely gonna see a snow video. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm literally just, to be fair, if I didn't do this vlog, I'll still be doing work up tonight. I just had to take a break, eat, edit this vlog, do this ending cutscene, intro, whatever, outro, and yeah, because I don't think I was gonna stream today, but probably tomorrow, Wednesday. But yeah guys, love you all, thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys soon.